In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a cover photo thumbnail for project in Figma. First, open your design. Navigate to the Figma file you want to represent with a cover. You can do this from your file's dashboard or from a recent project. Once the file is open, stay on the page where you want to create the cover. It doesn't matter which canvas area you choose, because this cover frame exists just like any other frame in your file. Next, create a new frame on your canvas to act as the cover. Select the Frame tool, then draw a frame, or simply create one and use the right-hand panel to set its dimensions to 1600 by 900 pixels. This size is a reliable, widescreen ratio that displays cleanly across Figma surfaces. Using a consistent size across your files helps your workspace look polished and predictable. Keep this cover frame separate from your actual design artboards to avoid confusion. Now, design the cover. Add text to identify the project, such as the project name, a short descriptor, or a version label. Use colors that match your brand or the mood of the project and keep contrast high, so the title is legible at smaller sizes. If you want imagery, drag in a relevant screenshot, logo, or illustration. Make sure all elements sit entirely inside the frame bounds and consider centering your focal content for a balanced look. A simple hierarchy works well. Large, readable title, subtle secondary details, and a clean background. Keep it uncluttered. When your cover looks good, set it as the thumbnail. Right-click the cover frame itself, not a group inside it, and choose Set as Thumbnail from the context menu. Figma will use exactly what's visible in that frame as the file's cover. If you tweak the design later, the thumbnail updates automatically to reflect those changes. To verify it worked, look at the Layers panel. You'll see a small icon next to the frame's name indicating it's now the official file thumbnail. You can also glance at the File tab or your file browser to see the updated preview appear shortly. If you ever want a different look, just edit this frame or repeat the same action on another frame. That's all it takes to set a clear, consistent cover photo in Figma. Thanks for watching.